this video is for all you Lincoln Continental lovers or any other car owner that has these badges on the vinyl top. This is like a presidential model 2003 Lincoln town car. So if you look at it, it looks like it's got the mold all inside this medallion, if you want to call it a medallion. Not sure what it's technically called. It looks like crap, right? Well, I tried something and I'm going to share it with you guys because this other one looks just like it. You see the difference, right? I didn't have to remove it and no harsh chemicals. So how did I do it? All right, stay tuned. All right, step one, you're going to get a 400 grit. This is a 400 grit sandpaper. This is wet and dry sandpaper. All right, we're gonna get a rag what's kind of moist with the water, well, a lot of water in it, because I want to continue to just put a little water when I'm sanding this. All right, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the sandpaper wet, and we're just gonna go to town on it. This is not gonna be a slow process, but I'll tell you one thing. I don't know if you went to eBay or wherever to try to look for one of these babies to replace it. They're not that expensive, but you know, that cheap for a little piece of plastic. And then you got to worry about, hey, how are we gonna take this one off and put the other one on? Am I gonna rip the vinyl from the roof and stuff like that? Worries. So what people usually do, they don't usually do anything about it. They just sit there and just take it. Move your cheek to the other side, right? Something like that. All right, so this is gonna take a minute. We're just gonna keep doing this, and I'm going to keep rinsing it with some water so I know how far I'm coming along. And so let me do this for a few minutes, and I'll get back to you. I've been sanding now for 5 minutes. Let's see how she's starting to look. You can see she's coming back alive. Maybe another 5 more minutes of sanding. A little elbow grease. I think maybe you should also hold on to it instead of putting a lot of pressure and moving it, just in case. All right. That's it. So you can see before and after. Another thing is that the side over here is going to be, you can't avoid it, but you're going to be sanding that too. And this particular town car, this is like, it's all gold. So it's not going to be gold, but I tell you, this is going to be better than being all black and just having that silver trim. All right, let me do this some more. Okay, so I've been sanding for like 15 minutes. Now, if you remember, I said that this is coming up a little bit, the plastic, so I really won't be able to get that corner. But all in all, you know, it's a lot better. So you remember what it looked like before. And now you can see what it looks like. So there you have it. If you probably sand a little more, You can probably make this really nice. So there you go. Got any questions? Don't hesitate to ask. You know the deal. All right, boys and girls, take it easy.